people are making millions of dollars through dropshipping. Whenever you see on YouTube, the finance YouTubers are making millions in sales. You go on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere, people are showing making 100k a day. So now you get to know about that dropshipping is something that in which you can make money very faster. So you also want to try it out and escape the 9 to 5 job. I want to quit your job. So, but you have a question in your mind that I know that dropshipping is very good. This is a legal way to make faster money, but I don't know anything about e-commerce. Like, how can I make money from it? So today I'm going to tell you that how you can start dropshipping from the comfort of your own home with your laptop and with just $100. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I want to let you know that my name is Navdeep and I am in e-commerce field from last couple of years. So before starting how to do dropshipping, you must know that what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically a thing that you are getting a product at a lot lower price and then you go online and list that product for 2 or 3 times the actual price, and you make money just being the middleman. Let's understand this is the example. You buy XYZ product from a supplier for just $10 and list that product online for $30. So whenever you make a sale, you are making $20 per sale, per order. This is supplier, this is customer, and in the middle are you. You are being the middleman in supplier and customer. You are not touching the product. Supplier will fulfill all the orders. You will keep the profit being the middleman. So now you get to know about that what is dropshipping. So now talk about how to start dropshipping. There are 3 main pillars of dropshipping which are very crucial to get successful. And each step is like the 3 pillars of dropshipping. And you can't skip any of the step. And you can't be lazy in any of the step. You have to put equal amount of effort in all 3 steps to get successful. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 is the product research. Whenever you are searching for a product, there are 2 main things you have to consider in your mind. First, your product should have a wow factor. And many of you might not know what is a wow factor. Wow factor is a thing like whenever people are scrolling through internet and they say the advertisement of your product, they hooked up to that video. They stop scrolling and started watching that video. That is called a wow factor. And second thing, your product should be a problem solving product. Your product should solve some day-to-day problem. If your product has these both features, which is wow factor and problem solving factor, then the chances to get successful this product is a lot higher as compared to others. So now you have a product which has a wow factor and has a problem solving factor. So now you need some kind of platform to sell it, to make a website, to make an online store about this product. There are a lot of platforms in the market to do this, but I recommend you that you go with Shopify. Shopify is the far most easiest platform to create an online store. And it's just cost $1 a month for just first 3 months, depending on which country you're living. So now you have a product. Now you have a website, you have an online store. But make sure whenever you're making a website for your product, it should be very professional. It should look like a branded store. It should be very neat and clean. So now you have a product, you have your online store, and now you're ready to sell. So now third step comes, which is marketing, advertisement of your product, which is foremost the most difficult step to sell your product. There are various methods to sell this product. I will go through few of them, and which are quite popular, but there are a lot of other ways regarding these three. First method is selling your product through paid ads. You can run paid ads on Instagram, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, or even pay influencers to promote your product, and you pay some amount to the influencers and they will post a reel or story about the product and put your website link in their store, your bio. And then second step is called organic dropshipping. Like you choose a product, you buy the product from Amazon or any other platform from where you get faster, and started making content with that. You have to post 3 to 4 videos every day on all the platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and hope to get viral, and as some of them videos get viral and you get tons of sale. And finally, the third method, which is one of my favorite, and nobody is talking about that is affiliate marketing. The product you choose, that should be in some kind of niche, like it might be a beauty product, it might be a product related to gym, it might be a product related to household. So what you want to do that, find the meme pages or the influencers in that niche and started DMing them the affiliate offer. Let's understand this with the example. You are selling a XYZ product, and your supplier is providing that product to you for $10, and you are listing same for $30. And now what you can do that, you will offer $10 to that influencer per sale, and you will send him offer that I will give you $10 per sale you made for me. In this way, you will not pay any money upfront to those influencers or meme pages to promote your product. You will only pay them when they make sale for you. So this is also called, and says, a free marketing. There is no risk in this because you are not paying anything upfront to those influencers and meme pages. So now at this point, I think you should learn the basics of dropshipping, that what is dropshipping, how it works, and if you need a detailed video regarding any topic like product research, creating the website, different methods of marketing, and do comment down. I will make a detailed video regarding that topic. So for now, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video, and we will meet in next video.